Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this look that you guys see right here. This is going to be a chit chat. Get ready with me. This to be in my house because obviously we're quarantined, and I wanted to make a video and talk a lot on the video because I mostly don't do videos like that. In my last video that I talked a lot, got a couple of views, but maybe it was because it was a review of an eyeshadow palette that just got out from Morphe, the one with Swati. And so I don't have a tripod, so I'm going to try to place like all the products down below in this for you guys, because on the video, because I don't have a tripod, I filmed all the whole video with my phone straight, and I really wanted to film, so it's a little bit of a struggle. So I'm going to be trying to place all the products down below for you guys, and that's pretty much it. I hope you all like this video, and if you guys want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. Today's look, I'm going to be starting by doing my brows. I can't even talk right now, and I'm going to be using the Morphe micro brow pencil in the shade Latte. Ever since I got it in the mail, I fell completely in love with it. It's a really good brow product, and also my other favorite brow product right now is the Royal Brow Definer. Is this one? This definer is like, the tip is different, and the Morphe one is like very thin. They are both really good, so I'm definitely in love with both of them. So I'm just going to start by outlining my brow. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer in the shade 135 Medium Beige. So I'm going to start off by applying, this shade right here, and I'm going to be applying that all over I like to blend it out all over my eye. And I'm going to be taking this lighter shade right here, and I'm going to use that shade to help blend out the darker brown. I'm going to be taking this blue shade right here, now I'm going to be taking the hot pink shade right here, For the outer part, I'm going to be taking a darker brown. I'm going to be taking this brown right here, and I'm just going to be placing it in the outer parts of the eye. Okay, so to prep my skin, I'm going to be using the Hydration Burst Hydrating Day Cream by Botanics. For primer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime Primer, the Blur and Pore Minimizing one. Whoa. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to be using the Clinique Even Better Makeup. Right now, I don't know if I'm the shade of this because I haven't been outside for so... I only went outside like a couple of days ago to go see my boyfriend, pero like no cogí mucho sol, so I don't know. Well, let's see, but... So for concealer, I'm using the Milani Concealing Perfect Concealer. This is literally one of my favorite concealers ever. So I need a new bronzer, and I want you guys in the comments to comment down below if you guys would like to see, like, I don't know which is your favorite bronzer, because right now, like, I need a bronzer, okay? Like, the struggle is real. But like in the meantime, I'm using the Sunset Striptease WetnWild Bronzer. The NYX Ombré Blush in the shade Nude to Me. Going back to the eyes, and also I'm going to be using highlighter from this palette, so let's open it up. Going back to the eyes, I don't know if I wanted to do like other colors on my under eye, like do like green and red. I want to end it up with the hot pink because I already have hot pink on my under eye. So I'm going to start off with the green and then the red and end it up with the hot pink. This shade right there, and I'm going to be using that as my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight. Okay guys, for lips, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Staunch. So guys, as you guys can see, this is the finished look of this video. I'm really happy how it turned out, and I hope you all liked this video and enjoyed me talking a lot. And so yeah, if you guys would like to see more of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below I'm going to finish this video for you guys, and I'm going to be taking some pictures of this look, and I hope they all look great. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video.